Congratulations, Mr. Awa.
Congratulations.
One of our first batch in CSSC.
And our one and only, Mr. Jerome Dulay Valle.
Congratulations, Mr. Jerome, for finishing our CSSC course program.
It's not only preaching, he is also learning.
Yes, he is also studying. Next, let's go on Mr. Baybayan Richard. Congratulations, Richard. Next, may we call on De Jesus James Casing. James is also our top 1 student for this batch. Congratulations, James. Congratulations. Next, may we call on the Lima Birch Santa Ana. Congratulations, Miss Birch. She is also our top 2 student for this batch. Congratulations. Are you surprised? Alright, may we call on our student back on stage again for our photo opportunity. Alright, give us your best smile, everyone. Okay, in 3, 2, 1. Say cheese.
Congratulations again, our
Another one.
batch
In
1.
3, 2, 1. Say cheese. Congratulations. And now let's call on James De Jesus for his testimonial speech. A round of applause, please.
Greetings among time Britain. Today's world, which is sensitively cluttered with excellence and competence in the field of education, we are envisioned to upgrade our mastery. Healthcare as a primary concern of individuals and the government by fulfilling a well-rounded community free from harm. By delivering a dependable service. It is our duty to elevate our capacities and response to every need. A thorough learning makes the exquisite, and that as we go in the realization of this dream, we need to value the challenges and discipline to properly act to our very purpose. We did it. We accomplished one of our milestones in our life. This is a major step in our journey, one that should be recognized for its immense significance. It is an act not only of personal commitment, but also one of our pride. We all worked hard to get to this day, and our work did not go to waste. But graduation is not an end of a goal itself. It is instead a part of the larger journey in life. Wherever your future takes you, it takes you somewhere. Life is a journey, and all of the accomplishments we achieve during its course should be taken as a starting points for further achievement. Our graduation should serve as such a launching point, protecting us to wherever our future are meant to take us wherever we land ourselves to a successful career or not. I just want to take this opportunity to say thank you to my classmates, to the CSSD Batch 1. Thank you for the memories that we had together. To our professor or to our teacher, Mr. Perry, it is our honor to say thank you to you for the learnings that you imparted to us. To Sir Gerald and Ma'am Jem, thank you so much for being always there for us. I just want to express also my sincerest thank you to my support system, which is my siblings. Thank you for always pushing me, even though sometimes I don't want to pursue this kind of profession. But thank you so much. You'll always be there. And lastly, to my fellow graduates, let us spread our wings and soar high for the brighter tomorrow. Thank you and congratulations all.
Alright, thank you so much, Mr. James De Lima, for that wonderful speech.